Sound is the most important factor on the video, and be able to have that at a budget cost is something that all content creators want. Today, we're gonna have a look at the 7Ryms iRay UW10, a broadcasting level multifunctional mini UHF wireless microphone. Is this system any good for you? Should you get one? 7Ryms were very kind to send me a sample for free, so I can test it out and review it on the channel. But just to clarify, this is going to be my own opinion on this system. Let's start with the price. The iRay UW10 costs around $189 for the dual channel system and $129 for the one channel system. Quite a good price for this system. This system can be used in smartphones and cameras. It will come on a very small hard case. You have two transmitters and one receiver. They are so small and lightweight. They are made of plastic, but they don't feel like bad quality or cheap at all. The plastic feels quite good quality. Both the transmitter and the receiver have an LCD screen and a clip-on the back, so you can mount the receiver on your camera and the microphones on you, for example. On both the receiver and transmitters, you will find a USB port to charge and the infrared if you need to pair them. On the receiver, you will find 4 buttons: screen flip button, B group pair button, on and off button that works as a mono and stereo switch button as well, and A pair group button. On the top, 2 LEDs, so you will know each side is the microphone on. Very cool feature. The output connection and the headphones connection as well. Each transmitter have 3 buttons on the side: the volume up, the volume down, then on and off button that works as a low pass filter as well. On the front, the LCD and the small LED that turns on when the low pass filter is activated. On the top, the microphone and the lav microphone connection. On the box, you will find 2 cables to connect the receiver to a camera or a mobile phone, 2 lav mics, 2 dead cats to use if it's windy outside, and 1 USB-C charging cable. One thing that made me wanted to test this system was the size. It's so small, and as a content creator, I'm always looking to reduce the size and the weight of my bag. So, how easy is to set up your 7Ryms? It's so easy. You just charge the system using your USB-C cable. Turn on the receiver and connect it to your camera. Turn on the transmitter, and that's it. The 2 transmitters will come prepared to the receiver, so you can start speaking and recording straight away. So now I'm going to set up my camera with the iRay UW10. So I will be doing some testing inside and outside. Have a look now. What you're listening to now is the sound coming from my lav mic to my transmitter, going to the 7Ryms receiver to the Lumix G9 camera. And guys, I want you to judge the sound and compare the sound that was before to this one, and then after this you can compare the sound with the sound outside as well. So now I'm gonna use the onboard mic that the 7Ryms transmitter has. So guys, now this is the sound coming to the onboard transmitter. What you guys think? Just judge the sound and let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. So guys, we're gonna go outside now and we're gonna test the sound with the mic, onboard mic, and with the lav mic. So let's go. Oh, it's not this way here. It's this. Oh no, hang on. Let me put the light off. Okay, let's go. Right guys, I'm not outside. I'm using the, again, I'm using the lav microphone going through the 7Ryms transmitter
to the receiver and to my G9 camera, and this is the sound outside. It's a bit windy, so with the laugh probably you guys can hear the wind. Next I'm gonna test the 7Ryms onboard microphone with a dead cat on top, and we're gonna see how it goes. Let's switch on. Alright guys, now I'm using the 7Ryms microphone with a dead cat on it because of the wind, and using the onboard microphone. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound, what you guys think about this sound outside with the dead cat and the onboard microphone with the lav microphone, and what you guys think about inside with both systems. Okay guys, let's jump in and go inside and continue the review.
Who should consider getting the 7Ryms wireless microphone? Well, people who do interviews and content creators. This is a super simple setup with awesome audio quality, in my opinion, one of the best on this price point. In my opinion, the 7Ryms iRay UW10 is the best budget wireless system solution of 2021. It's compact, easy to use, and the sound is amazing. I will start using it on my videos. And this was my review on the 7Ryms wireless microphone. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching the other ones. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next review.